My thing, like, this much, like this much danger, this much regular, that's different. You ain't nothing mysterious about who. I'm telling you, she can't be doing that. You is not mysterious.
All right, Roddy. All right, my man. You ain't always just talk. Hey, hold this for me. Come here. Come here. What's up, what? What's going on? All right. Hey. Don't be ashamed. I ain't never been with the same.
You did the same as you?
Right. You supposed to be saying that. That's not true, but none of
I'm
it's
not
true.
ashamed. If I was ashamed, we would not be out there.
You just juicing me. You just juicing me, but you don't know that I'm not me. Good. Hey, why your booty so soft? Yeah. Soft. Hey, your booty so soft. That motherfucker. Your shit so soft. I can just smack it and smack it back. God damn. Come here. Why you so goddamn soft? Yeah. Her ass is so soft, y'all. That shit just, oh my God. How you get it like that?
You just gotta be real lazy and don't sit in the same spot all day and don't move. It's gonna be real soft, I'm telling you.
Oh my God, that shit. Woo. That shit groovy. He's dangerous, girl. Don't trust him. He's gonna do something to you. He's gonna take you back to the jungle. Okay. Get in here. What's wrong with you? Why you sit up for these?
What do you have on?
Yo, you fucking crazy, bro. She crazy, bro. This girl got a soft ass. God. Oh, that thing good. Hold on, let me get my feet. It's so soft.
We gonna keep to
You know why it's like that? Because you ain't had no baby yet. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna get hard after having a baby?
No, I don't know. It's probably gonna get fatter after you have a baby.
Like what?
That shit probably gonna get fatter after you have a baby. She said I'm this much of a street nigga to her, and she said I'm most likely she felt like I was a lame.
An educated lame.
Yes.
There's nothing wrong with being an educated lame.
Hey, I'm a lame, y'all. This is Aaliyah. They start laughing.
What's wrong with being an educated lame?
I'm an educated lame, dog.
Shout out to the educated lames, period.
I'm a lame. Yes, we like her, Chief. Let's keep her.
I always wanted an educated lane.
She want an educated lane, dog. She's like, you got this much street in you and just a little bit, you're mostly lane. I was like, okay, baby. I like that though. That means I'm clean cut. Basically what she's saying is you clean cut. Oh, watch out, man. You can throw that shit in the back. I want you to have all that shit. I'm an educated lane. I ain't never heard that shit. Hey. Let go. See that? That's what you're supposed to do. You do that. You're supposed to reach over the door. Yeah, open the door for a nigga.
I didn't know that was a thing. I just learned.
For real?
I swear. I think I heard it like one time a long, long time ago.
For real? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me go grab some more Henny real quick from the trunk. Okay. Talk to you people. Let's start this shit up.
Yeah, but like I was saying, as soon as he get out the car, I'm cussing y'all bitch ass the fuck out. Cause y'all got a lot of nerve, a lot of motherfucking nerve, talking all that shit when he by the phone. As soon as he gone, yeah, I'm gonna be talking again, bitch. So what's up? What's up? Oh, don't say don't leave. Don't tell him don't leave. Cause bitch, now I'm on your ass. But the shit you was talking, you said I look like E.T. I like a motherfucking ant. Bitch, guess who doesn't care? No, I ain't ignoring nothing. I'm not ignoring nothing positive or nothing negative. I'm responding to wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. You know I'm gonna get him. Into what? I act like I'm not into what, Barbs? Who the fuck are you to tell me? Yeah, I'm getting them right now, babe. Cause they got me fucked up. I don't know what I did wrong. If my voice so annoying, then leave, bitch. I love talking like Elmo. Fuck you, Sunflow. Yeah, I'm a bully, y'all. Yeah, I'm on demon time. Cause y'all been bothering me for a long period of time, and I'm tired of playing with y'all ass. Leave me alone. You know what, bitch? Now you're getting kicked. Get out.
Get out.
Get out. Don't make me mad. Cause you too. You can get out too. Yeah. What's up? Guess who got the phone now? You better hope I don't get the blocking too, bitch.
Hold on.
Oh.
You crazy.
You better hope I don't get the blocking too, bitch. Don't make me mad. Don't do it. Don't push me.
I ain't no killer, but don't push me.
I ain't no killer, but don't push me. I ain't no blocker, but don't push me. That ain't my page, but don't push me.
You feel me? Yeah. Put that in your motherfucker.
Oh, Nene, now you finna get put out too. So y'all better tread lightly, cause this admin don't work.
Wait. Nene, hold on, wait, let me see.
You don't know that hoe?
I don't know that hoe.
She ain't no gifter. 5 cent having ass bitch. Bye.
Bye.
Get the fuck on. Y'all talking shit like, look, the admin is slow. But baby, I'm faster. Play with it if you want to. Play with it while I got this pen on my phone. If you want to get kicked, then talk some shit now.
Speak that thing.
Speak your peace now or forever hold your peace.
You know what I'm saying? Speak that thing. Speak that thing to me. To the 3rd degree. I gotta call my nigga soon.
Y'all ready. So what's up? Who's that look like an ant? Who's that look like E.T.? Who's that look like whatchamacallit? What's up? What's up? Bitch, I did not bully you. Y'all bullied me. Y'all started with y'all told me my wig was crunchy. Whole time I told y'all, I been told y'all when I was at the mall, I have a whole bunch of got to be glue in my edges and I need to wash it again and relay it. But no, you keep bullying me and harassing me about it and picking with me. Now I look like a fly. Bitch, it's something new every day with y'all. When the first insult don't work, the next one. Yes, that drink done got me feeling away. But don't judge me. Please. No. That drink was strong as hell. And y'all was talking shit. I'm tired. Because it's wrong to bully and harass people. Yes, I know my wig needs to get washed. But I was lazy this morning. And I sweated it out. And I didn't care. I said, I don't give a fuck. Y'all gonna take this wig. Y'all gonna... Huh?
Who that?
It's a couple fat hoes and some basic ones. But, I told y'all that when I came on here, y'all was gonna take this wig the way it is. Cause bitch, I don't feel like washing it today. I did not feel like washing it. The two in the front cute and the two in the back bad as hell. That's crazy how the two fat hoes just know to walk together and the two skinny hoes just know to stay together. Maybe so they walk slow.
Fat hoes be real.
Shit, if y'all could see what they look like, y'all wouldn't want them fat hoes. Oh God. But
Why wear that though?
No shade to the fat hoes, no shade. But the ones in the one of them got a weird shaped booty too. Yes, look. First of all, you know what I really hate about y'all on this app? Y'all always got a problem when I say something. Oh, I can't body shame nobody. Oh, I can't be phobic. I can't say nothing. I never said there's some big girls that wasn't cute. I could judge. Y'all judge me.
I got me a big girl. One of my wives is big.
Exactly. One of his wives is a big girl. And second of all, y'all judge me and drag me. Why can't I judge other people?
What's up, nigga?
Exactly. As soon as you talk about fat hoes, all the fat hoes get mad. But when you talking about ugly hoes, the fat hoes be laughing. You talking about gay niggas, the fat hoes be laughing. Y'all fat asses laugh at everybody but y'all own stuff, and I cannot respect it. Okay? I'm tired of y'all fat asses laughing at everybody but y'all motherfucking self. If you are fat, just laugh, bitch. Just get over it, because you are fat. Because you laughed at every other thing I said. But as soon as I said something about fat hoes, you got a problem. Don't be like that. Don't dish it but can't take it, you fat ass bitch. I don't like you, fat ass, Kelly Price ass bitch. I want you to laugh like you laughed at all the other shit I said. Don't do that. Oh my god, that was so low vibrational. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Taking you home after that.
I'm not going home. No, we're not going home.
I'm fucking with you. I never take you home.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Come in with me. I'll take you back to the house. You wanna come back to my house?
Yeah, me and Nature Boy moving in together, y'all.
So don't worry about that. Oh, no.
Fuck Cherry the Bone.
You know what I'm saying?
Bitch, you thought you was gonna get to watch the show that everybody was watching? You better come window lit, bitch. You thought you was gonna get to watch this after you treated me and bullied me and harassed me with your 6 foot ass? Fuck her. I'm waiting for all my ops to come here because you can't watch me. You better not comment because I don't like you. I don't like you. No, I don't like you.
Yo, you got a problem with Cherry too?
I don't have a problem with her. She got a problem with me, so now I don't like her too. It's not my fault. She be disrespectful and strong and mean and a bully and big as fuck. Then she gonna tell me, oh, I should have smacked you when I seen you that time. Girl, you big as hell and strong as hell. Why would I? First of all, y'all delusional as fuck in the comments. If you're a cisgender woman,
fuck does it to a family? That's so big.
Ghetto as hell. Why would I be jealous of a transgender woman? Please let that sink in. You don't make no sense. That doesn't make any sense.
Damn, that's crazy.
It make my hair hurt. It really make my hair hurt. Ooh! Ooh!
Yo, come through with it then.
Cherry is petty. She mean as hell. The other day, she just came to the panel and started harassing me. And I had to ask her, like, girl, I don't know why you even talking to me. Then she told me I was a fan. I was like, what do you do? And she couldn't even tell me what she do. Like, a fan of what, bitch? The fuck? Of hard ass titties and a fake ass? Like, girl, get the fuck out of here. And then her stomach wide as hell. She need a BBL. But let me mind my business. She don't need to wear no more crop tops. No shade.
Oh, shit. That shit block gloves. All this.
Your interview started at 8, don't it?
Oh shit! You right, man. I gotta pull over. Damn, that's crazy. I'm so glad you said that.
Yeah, she is a grumpy old man. No shade. Like, I get that she's trans or whatever, but I feel like she relates more to like the queens of the community, the queens that she talks about all the time. That's what she relates to more. She's a mean ass bitch. I don't care if she got fake titties. She's a mean ass, angry gay man.
She's a mean online.
She already did. That's why I don't care no more. Like, when I tell y'all, be nice for what? Kiss their ass for what? They're gonna be mean regardless. So say what you want to say.
Oh shit. talking about transgenders. You about to do it.
They already becoming. That's why I don't care.
Hey, I'm about to do my interview. I gotta hang up, y'all. I'm about to do my interview. We got an interview.
Somebody said Envy's muting your gifters.
Envy, chill out. Don't mute my gifters. But she probably not. She's one of my #1 gifters.
Yeah. That's somebody told me to tell you that shit.
I don't think Envy would do that. Envy, make sure that when you block them that they're not gifters. Please.
Just like, and that's the part that is even more sick. A lot of times women probably really be wanting to be Cherry friend, but she mean as hell and don't even notice it.
Right. She is very mean because I was trying to be cool with her. She just
mean
as hell.
And she probably done been through a lot of stuff in her life. Who knows?
Yeah,
girl,
defensive.
Don't nobody feel like being bothered with that.
But she's successful being at what she is.
Yeah, but she probably. But think about how much more successful she could be if she was a nice.
Yeah, but guess what? She's in her little world.
She's in her lane.
Yeah, let her be in her little world.
Well, when she step in my lane, you could be in a little world. But when you step in my lane with your little world, being rude, look, I was on the live with Sir Brock and them, and she gonna come on the panel telling them to drop me and stuff, like just doing the most. Then we go to another panel. She still telling them to drop me. She leave that live, go to a single live. I guess they reported her live at the end, and she followed me.
She feel threatened by you, baby.
I don't care what it is. I want her to leave me the fuck alone because that's a nigga to me.
But listen, hey, niggas turned up over there. Okay.
Shit, I would be mad if I was trying to be a girl and my voice was deep as hell. No shade. This the one we should have came to.
Lit. It's your generation right here.
Her locks are cute.
Huh?
I said her locks are cute, but I want mine smaller.
It's your generation right here.
Cherry's pretty. Nobody's saying Cherry's ugly. That's not what my issue.
Cherry's cool as hell too.
That's not my issue. It's not her looks. It's her personality.
Cherry's
she's
cute.
mean.
She's just defensive.
Yeah, and y'all always say I gotta be attitude. I be nice as hell to y'all.
Guys, I gotta go. I got an interview at Tahini's. Or if you go to your star, you following me on your main page. Go to star. You gonna see where I'm sitting in there. I got an interview, and we gonna both be there. Tahini's. Hold on. I put it on my page too. Don't know this. Hold on. Totally Tahini. It's the ad right here. Let me show you how it's spelled so you know.
What are y'all talking about?
Go to Totally Tahini. I'm about to do this interview real quick with her. What are we talking about? Tahani. Right there, guys. Go to that page right there, at Totally Tahani. Shit lit up here.
Remember one that's in the video? I think it was, I want to say, Black Youngster or somebody. They was over there and they was like throwing hella money just out of a car. And everybody was outside. I think it was like Christmas time.
Bigo. I'm going to be live on Bigo. Totally Tahini on Bigo. I'm going right now. Let me call her real quick. So I'm like your sugar daddy and shit. And all these shit.
I'm trying to get you in.
No, I'm about to come on your page right now.
All right. Okay.
All right, y'all. I'm about to go do this interview and then we're going to come back on my page. Come fuck with us. We're going to be on the interview right now.